A 1958 Aston Martin DBMkIII drop-head coupe. The original and believed only remaining example, optioned from new with the powerful DBB Special Series engine. With just 85 DBMkIII drop-head coupes built, only 2 of the 85 built were specified when new with the optional and most powerful engine specifications, identified as DBB. The Tadek Marek redesigned 3-litre engine specs included high-profile camshafts, strengthened conrods, triple 35mm DCO Weber carburettors, and an increased compression ratio of 8.6 to 1, delivering 196 brake horsepower. This was the most powerful production engine fitted to the DBMkIII, giving an over 20% increase in power above the standard specification DBA engine. Only one other similarly specified DB engine example was constructed and exported when new to Casablanca. That example's existence remains unknown to today, with no records or sightings having been recorded with either the manufacturers, the Aston Martin Owners Club, the Heritage Trust, or any recognised historic car authority. Specified from new in black with beige Connolly VM 846 hides, the build sheet of chassis 303-155 confirms the DBB engine option and fitment of front disc brakes, Alfin rear drums, competition shock absorbers, a 3.77 to 1 final drive, and chrome-plated road wheels with twin exhaust, fly-off handbrake and enlarged heater. These original options remain present to today. This remarkable and highly original example of the Felton-built DBMkIII drop-head coupe was manufactured and delivered in May '58 to its first owner in Montreal, Canada, in the existing right-hand drive configuration, remaining in one family ownership until 1987 before changing ownership to a North Carolina resident. After 30 years of ownership, the car was sold to Aston Martin of New England, and subsequently the previous long-term owner's son repurchased this alluring car in 2005, bringing it back to the same family ownership. Acquired by a UK resident and repatriated to the UK during 2012, having covered a recorded total of 31,000 miles, a comprehensive mechanical restoration was undertaken in 2013 by acknowledged Aston Martin specialists before the car was toured in Europe and in the UK. Displayed at the Royal Automobile Club's Pall Mall HQ in 2014, a recent interior retrim in original colour specification and quality Connolly Vomol hides has been carried out. The removed hides and carpets remain available. Today, some 65 years after manufacture, this example's carefully preserved, extensively maintained, and exceptional driving condition all attest to the previous owner's affection and care awarded to the car. The extensive ownership history file accompanying the car includes original factory build details, the original owner's handbook, ownership history including period owner's correspondence, details of the mechanical rebuild undertaken, and period photographs including when chosen by Aston Martin to be displayed during the 1989 Monterey Peninsula and Pebble Beach Car Weekend, when Aston Martin were firstly chosen as the featured marque for this highly prestigious event. An extremely rare, highly desirable, and optimum specification example of the distinguished DBMkIII, and last development of the low-volume Felton-built Aston Martins before DB4 production. Notably, the Mark III sported the first appearance of Aston Martin's now signature front grille design, echoed for the first time in the dashboard's instrument panel outline. We are delighted to offer this extraordinarily rare and exciting DBMkIII drop-head coupe for sale. It is available now for viewing at our Hertfordshire showrooms.